Hello everyone. This demonstration covers how to use power-off retentive registers of the TK80 HMI. The function of power-off retentive registers is to retain user parameters configured on the HMI after the device loses power. The retentive registers available on the AD TKs include LB5000 to LB5999 and LW5000 to LW5999. LB9200 must be set to on to enable the data retention function. You may check the variable definitions via Help gives global control gives system registers in the project menu bar. There are 3 common methods to trigger LB9200. 1. Create a momentary on button link to LB9200 for manual triggering. 2. Use the data transfer list to link PLC variables for automatic saving. 3. Use HMI macro instructions to trigger automatic saving. This demonstration uses an HMI macro program to perform timed automatic saving. We will mainly compare the display status of 3 power-off retentive registers against 3 non-retentive registers. The timer status and LB9200 status displayed on the screen are for demonstration convenience only. Switches LB100, LB102 are set as toggle switches for demonstration purposes. You may select other switch types as needed. Switches LB5900, LB5902 share the same configuration as LB100, LB102. Data input fields LW100, LW102 are configured as 16-bit unsigned format for demonstration. You may adjust the format as needed. LW5900, LW5902 use the same input settings as LW100, LW102. Next, let's review the HMI macro programming steps. I have already created a macro program here. Double-click to open and edit it. Set the execution mode to cyclic execution with a 1000 milliseconds cycle time. Line 1. Define variable LW200, which increments by 1 every cycle execution. Line 2. If LW200 equals 10. Line 3. Set LB9200 to 1 to save values of registers LB5000, LB5999, and LW5000, LW5999. Line 4. If LW200 equals 11. Line 5. Reset LW200 to 0 to restart the cycle counter. Click Compile. If no errors appear, close the macro editor. Download the project to the HMI. Next, power on the HMI. First, turn on all switches LB100, LB102, and LB5900, LB5902. Enter numerical values respectively into LW100, LW102, and LW5900, LW5902. You can also choose to save using the manual button on the screen. Waiting here for the LW200 clock to equal 11, it will automatically save and then power off and restart. You will observe that the toggle switch states and numerical values stored in retentive registers are fully preserved after reboot. That concludes this demonstration video. Thank you for watching.